Good morning guys, today we've got here Samsung S25 FE and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So if you want to use all Google features like Play Store, Google Backup and so on, adding your account is necessary. So to do it, just enroll the settings, then find and select accounts and backup. Now tap manage accounts at the top of the list and select add account. Choose Google right here, enter your pattern, PIN code or fingerprint, whatever you use, whatever you have. Make sure that you've got active network connection and now provide your email address or phone number connected with this account. Now it's time to enter the password. And as only the password is entered, select next. Now mark if you'll be using this device or maybe your child, tap on next then. Here go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, just mark to read it. You've got links in each info, so just open the document and read. If you do agree, just mark I agree. Actually you have to, because otherwise you will not be able to go further in the process. And now you can decide if you want to activate backup or not. Provide your phone number if you wish, and that's it. So you just added your account, here it is. Once you want to remove it, just mark remove account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.